So what do I want to do when I grow up, Florinel? Wow. Wow. Well, you know what? There's one dream I have, and then a bigger one. But the first dream I have is to really inspire people to know themselves better, to connect with each other, to really learn to enjoy learning. And my biggest dream would be to actually create an ecosystem of learning at home, at work, at school, with and through the same language, so that we can really understand each other. Yeah.